Now, with the consensus that track and field has lost a huge chunk of its popularity, head coach of Racers Track Club Glenn Mills has criticized World Athletics for not capitalizing on Usain Bolt's stardom before his retirement. The three-time world record holder, who stepped away from the track in 2017, dominated the sport, winning 8 Olympic and 11 World Championship gold medals. However, with track and field's world governing body's efforts to find ways to energize the sport since his retirement, Mills says the association has only themselves to blame.
The kind of dynamism and boost that track and field could have get from somebody of that stature, it didn't really benefit to the great extent that it should. When basketball have a Jordan or a LeBron or so on, you see the kind of rise and impact that it makes on the world. And I don't think track and field really did enough to benefit from the greatness of what Bolt brought to the sport.
Meanwhile, Mills, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, says he didn't try to convince Bolt to continue his career despite retiring at the age of 30. He believes the world's fastest man should receive more praise for persevering through his constant injury troubles.
You're breaking world record. He's in a lot of pain. But you wouldn't know. Training, a lot of times we have to be like going through like a minefield because he had the problem with his hamstring coming up and then the back problem with his scoliosis and so on. So a lot of times he was out there competing. He was in a lot of discomfort. But he's just a real champion. When he gets out there on that occasion, he's able to summon the kind of will and thing to perform.